Okay, we're going to get into basics now. We're going to work on the dual fist punch. Now, put your hands out. We're going to roll the fists in, or fingers in halfway. Roll them in the rest of the way and place the thumb over the front two knuckles. Put them back here at the chamber. Should set right on top of your hip bone. Now, what you're going to do is slide the fist forward. Make sure this fist is in the center right now. This is when you're going to penetrate the body and twist it over. And the other side. The other side, punch down the center line of your body. Make it nice in the center. Make sure the wrist is nice and straight. You're not pulling back on the wrist like that. And we're going to get into the horse. Get the feet twice the width of the shoulders. Bend the knees. Start with the left hand out. And we're going to go slow. Now you breathe like a snake. And faster punching. 1, 2, punch out with power. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay, now you can pause and do some more if you want to. Get a better workout. And I'll wait for you while you pause. Okay, everybody paused and came back. You did 90 more. Great. Next one we're going to work on is the U-punch. So now we put the hands at the chamber like this. So one hand is on top of the other. Right on top of it. Not like this. Right on top of the other fist. This fist at the chamber, this hand here. Now you're going to punch out. And this fist got to get into the center right away. See? And then punch out with both hands. So you don't want to swing this hand out like that. It's got to come out and punch straight. Okay, so again, at the chamber, slide it forward and punch out. Now you want to punch out evenly. You don't want to be like this or like this. Make sure you punch out evenly. So let's just practice. Put the hands at the chamber and punch out. Bring it back and punch out. Bring it back. Punch out. Now let's try the other side. Now this fist is at the chamber and this hand is on top. Opposite end will be on top. Slide out and punch. Bring it back. Slide out and punch. Bring it back. Slide out and punch. So both fists should have the same amount of power and strike out evenly. Next we're going to do the stance. So we're going to do the cat. Everybody in the cat. And then crane. Step forward lunge. Back to the cat. Let's try that again. Crane. Step forward lunge. Back to the cat. Cat stance. Crane. Step forward lunge. Back to your cat. Let's put it all together. So we're going to start with the cat and the hands in the 5-star guard. Pick the knee up, crane. Chamber the hands. Step down lunge. Punch. Back to the cat. Chamber the hands, pick the knee up, step down lunge, punch. And again, back to the cat. Chamber the hands, pick the knee up, step down lunge, punch. Back to the cat. Pick the knee up, crane, chamber the hands, step out, punch, back to the cat. Again. Pick the knee up, crane, chamber the hands, step down lunge, punch. Other side. Now we're going to do the other side, cat. Chamber this time. The bottom hand comes to the chamber, top hand goes on top. Chamber, step, punch, guard. Chamber, step, punch, guard. Chamber, step, punch, guard. 2 more times. Chamber, step, punch, guard. Chamber, step, punch, guard. You can do that more times. I'm going to close out this video and we'll go to the next one.